Hi friends, here's another Immigration 101 topic for us to talk about today, and that topic has to do with proving that you and your spouse have a bona fide marriage. You may have heard that term from me before in my other video on Do It for Love and Only Love. If you have not yet seen that video, I want you to go back and watch it because that is a great foundational video about why it's so important to put together the right evidence to show the government that you and your partner entered into this marriage for love and not to get around immigration laws. This is a super important topic that trips up so many people. They just don't get it. They don't get it. And so you guys who are watching my video, I want you to get it. You need to understand specifically what the government wants from you when you are filing for your spouse. So the question is this: I have sponsored my husband. What evidence do I need to send immigration to show that my husband and I have a bona fide marriage? Excellent question. Let's think about the documents that we could put together here, that you will put together, not me. First of all, do you guys own a home together? If so, both of your names should be on the mortgage, right? So you include a mortgage statement showing your husband, his name as well. If you guys don't own a home together and you're renting, the lease should also have both of your names on it. If it does not, I would question why not. If you're living with your parents or another relative, that person should submit an affidavit or a letter of support indicating that you guys live with her or him, whether you're contributing to the rent or other utility bills. You guys need to show that you have commingled your resources. It means that if you have a joint bank account or if you have a joint investment account or any other assets that you guys jointly own, life insurance policies, health insurance statements or copies of your health insurance cards. If you guys have any children that have been born between the two of you, you would need to show the birth certificates of those children. Affidavits are also very important, and these are statements or letters from people in your lives. People who know your relationship to be true, people who understand your love story, people who can talk about how they know you. Are you related to them? Are you guys friends? What do you guys do together? How they see you guys interacting with each other? Do you guys spend time with each other at parties, at church, do you guys go on vacation together? Also, be careful here with those letters because those letters need to be notarized and those letters need to include the person's full name, their address, their age, their relationship to you. The people who submit these letters on your behalf, they don't have to be U.S. citizens, okay? They could be green card holders as well. You need about three or four of these types of letters to go with your packet to the government to show that other people in your lives can attest to the fact that you guys have a real relationship. And any other evidence that you think is relevant, whether that evidence is a statement from yourself. You can write a statement or a declaration and send it in with your packet and explain to the government what your love story and what your life together is like. Certainly pictures, right? Photographs of your wedding day, photographs of your day-to-day lives on vacation and other things like that. Photographs are very important as well. And let me just say this, okay? Let me say this, and I tell my clients this as well. Your love story has to be convincing to me. It has to jump off the page. I need to see pictures that appear real and genuine. You have to convince me. If you can convince me, the government will also be convinced. But what I'm looking for from my clients is that their relationship is true. I'm convinced, I'm touched, I feel the love and I see the love in evidence, in paperwork, in photos. I feel it. And so it's very important that the person who is looking at your application and your petition feel it too and can see that it is real. What has your experience been like so far with your spousal petition? Have you filed for your husband or your wife recently? How did that go? What evidence did you pull together that you thought was helpful to your application packet? Comment below. I'm in the comments. I'm responding, and I'd love to hear from you. All right, guys. So you have a good one, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.